How to use Autods for Etsy. Autods Etsy tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring Autods using Etsy. Now if you don't know, Autods is a platform that would help and start growing your dropshipping business with AI as well. And as you can see here on their website, you can easily start and begin using their platform by simply clicking on Start Dropshipping. You could start a free trial for $1, which you will be able to cancel anytime if you're not satisfied with their platform. But if you're completely satisfied, you can check out the different pricings that they have over here on their pricing page. Each platform has a different plan. For example, over here for eBay, there will be a different plan. For Shopify, it's a different as well. Facebook, Amazon, Wix, Woo, and Etsy. All of this platform individually, you will be able to try out, but you would need to start for $1. So now, we have over here my Autods, and I have already connected it with my Etsy. And as you can see here, you will be able to be prompted with an instruction or a suggestion that you install a Chrome extension that would allow you to easily add different products to your store. So for example, I'm exploring a different platform. Maybe I'm using or I'm viewing AliExpress. I will be able to add the product from AliExpress into our Etsy store. So that is what this platform or this extension is recommending us to download. So let us actually download that for our benefit. So over here, add Chrome, add extension, and the dropshipping helper will help us a lot with finding products. This is like the preview over here. And there we go. Now, for example, this one, let's see if it will work with AliExpress. Click on our extension over here, dropshipping. There we go. Now you can simply select regions, USA, suppliers. You can check out the suppliers over here. Oh, one of the targeted is CG dropshipping, so that's really good. You can explore that as well, check it out for yourself. But for now, we will be focusing on Autods and Etsy. So there we go. As you can see, this is our Autods. Currently, our marketplace. These are the different marketplace right now. The best sellers. You could view the different products over here that you could import into your Etsy store. You could search for products inside of Autods itself. As you can see here, you could check out what place it would be shipped to, either from United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Australia, Canada, Spain, or any other region. And then you could choose the currency as well. By doing this, you will be able to filter out the results over here. So, shipped from United States. There we go. So now you will be able to see products that are specifically shipped from United States. So if you're going to be picky or if you want some specific locations, you could select them over here. You could select multiple types of answers, but having black here will be generalized outputs over here. Then you can select the price range over here. This is a good area or a good place to start looking for products that you could start selling on your Etsy. You can also specifically search for winning products, such as this one's over here. Winning products means that these products are products that are really great for drop shipping. So you could import them just like this, import to draft. And as you can see, item is being added to draft. The cheapest warehouse was selected for this product, which is really great, so that you will not spend too much money more than necessary. And you can see here, you can track the progress of the product that you have added over here. Now it will only be set to the draft for now, but if you want, you can easily add it to your import right away. But right now it will be set to draft so that you will have time to adjust your mistakes. So for example, there we go. I could add 3 of these just like that. There's also TikTok Spy over here, wherein you will be able to find the most helpful dropshipping products. So there we go. You would need to order the specific feature though to be able to access this. So if you want to try it out, you can also access that. TikTok Spy means that it will look through what is currently trending in TikTok and show you the most profitable product right now that is currently being sold. So for example, a specific product is very famous right now in TikTok due to the trends and a lot of people doing it. So that product will be found here as well, so that you can check it out also for yourself as well. There's also some print on demands over here. If ever you want to do some drop shipping with print on demands, you can easily edit a product over here, or you will be able to add some designs for you, and you could upload some designs over here, and it will appear, as you can see here, on the specific product that you have chosen. So for example, this one, we will be able to upload that. As you can see, image is currently uploading, and we have this, and there you go. So right now, the quality is poor because of the photo quality or the camera quality, but anyway, after that you will be able to add that to your products as well. There's also orders over here, as you can check out. You can also add products over here, single import product from one store, and then you can simply put in the supplier URL over here. So let's actually go to CJ Dropshipping over here, since one of the examples was CJ Dropshipping that we saw in our extension. Let's see or check out one of the product and upload it here to see if it will work. Let's say I would like to have a product which is this one over here. Let's check out the URL. There we go. Let's simply copy the URL, go to Autods, paste it over here, and as you can see, it will be able to identify the supplier source and region right away. Then you can publish to your store. There we go. Item is being added to your store just like that. But right now it's currently in progress, so you're going to have to wait on that. So now if you want to add drafts that you have been searching, you can simply select them just like that. And then you could also do bulk editing, where you could add an item to edit. For example, you could modify like the product title, the description, the variants, image, any of those stuff that you are or you wish to edit. You could also use that. So for example, you would like to change the main photo, set that as the main photo. So as you can see, the display is now much better. For example, this one as well, you could do the same thing. We could select a different main photo over here. Maybe we could go with this one. There you go. You could do all sorts of modification before you could save and import it. So for example, I would like to import the small dog breed. You can simply select import, and it will begin to import. So right now, where is it? You will be able to see it over here. But right now, mine is having issues. You could see or view details if there's an issue, but as you can see, upload error for me. So this might have, or Etsy on my side is having some issues, but to be able to upload it, it's basically just doing that. You could check the drafts over here, upload it, import it, and you will be able to upload it into your Etsy store. And you could check out the other products over here. Like for example, this is very useful, but you could also do the process where you copy and paste it from other platforms, from outside platforms as well. That's also very cool and very useful. And you can check it out or use or take advantage of the extension from Autods as well, which is this one over here. So you can check all of this list, meaning these are products or platforms that you could take out the product from. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, and click a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.